How to see hidden message requests on Instagram. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to find messages that may be hidden from your main inbox. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the Messenger or DM icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Requests to view messages from people who aren't in your contacts or followers list. Here, you'll see message requests that Instagram thinks you may want to review. To find additional hidden messages, tap Hidden Requests or the Spam section, depending on your Instagram version. This folder usually contains messages that Instagram has filtered as potential spam. If you don't see hidden requests or spam on your screen, don't worry. Instagram's layout can vary by version and account. On my device, this option doesn't appear, so you can simply follow the options available on your screen. If you want to move a message to your main inbox, open it and reply to the conversation. You can also delete unwanted requests. Depending on your Instagram version, tap Edit or select the conversation, then choose Delete and confirm your choice. If available, you may also see a Delete All option to remove multiple hidden requests at once. And that's it. You now know how to view and manage hidden message requests on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.